guys, today we're doing something insane. This game is called Southwest Florida, and this is one of my favorite games on Roblox. But this game is huge. Now look how smooth it is. Like, it's so surprisingly smooth. I hope it doesn't like randomly freezes. But look how huge is this game. See? It's not laggy at all. This is like so cool. I don't know how my phone can run this, but it's insane. But this game is very realistic. Oh my gosh. But it's sometimes, oh my god, it's sometimes hard to drive. Oh no. Wait, oh no, I made a major issue. I got stuck. I need to place my car right here. There, problem solved. Sometimes it's a little hard to drive. Oh my gosh. I can't barely turn. Oh no. Please, no. Now I'm next to this river. Now I'm stuck. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Please don't tell me I'm stuck down here. Please don't tell me. Please. Can I get out of here? Please let me. Oh. I can't hold the jump button because it's like disappearing. No way, I have to restart my character. I should. There. And boom. Did it. Almost. What was that? Ignore that. Because I always hear weird sounds. Every single day, I always hear a weird sound. Whoa. I can go this way. Look at these houses. Look how beautiful they are. Imagine you live in Florida in one of these houses. Oh no, no. Don't tell me. Are you serious right now? Are you gonna be kidding me? I'm stuck in water again? Oh my gosh. Wait, I have an idea. We have a huge idea. I could just try to play this game without breaking a single law. But I'm not the best drivers in the game. But I'm going to soon. I have to follow all the speed limits. Green light, I can go. Finally. Oh, 40. There, we're good. I cannot go above 40. I saw that. The speed limit sign. Wow, there's a water park in this game, but I can't show you guys, but it's because it's too far. Because this is my first time playing this game. But I'm so surprised this game is smooth, like, for real. It doesn't like lag. Like, it's so cool. Wow. And there's the Florida plates. Does that say Florida? Yeah. Sunshine State. There's a bridge. Look at that view. You can't even tell that's Roblox. All of this is Roblox. Oh no. I heard it's illegal to just drive like 1 mile per hour on the road. So that was close. Oh, low. Yeah, I should floor it. Like full throttle. Like a Lamborghini. I love to say that. Oh no. Oh no! My car! No! We crashed. I don't know where I'm going. I'm trying to reverse. You know, these cars are hard to control. There's a bank. Look, all those stuff. All those stuff. Stores, places. Literally. Oh my god, oh my god. No. Don't, please. There's a gas station. Literally, you can go inside. See, look at that. And you can work here. Uh-oh. Which one is my car? Which one? This one? Oh my god. Oh no. No. I think this one's my car. There we go. Sometimes I'm a forgettable person. I'm sorry, guys. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Let's see if you can drive straight all these stores. There's a lot of stores. There's either, oh my gosh. There's Tesla chargers? What? Oh my gosh. This is getting so annoying, just like hitting objects. I wish I was the best driver on planet Earth. Unfortunately, I can't. Oh my gosh. I literally ran over that stop sign. I'm not a smart driver. There's a supermarket. Oh no. Why is my car moving? What in the earth? I can't like get in. Reverse. Let's stop and oh my god, how oh my god. Should I hold it like that and get out of here? There! Yeah, you have to like stop completely. Well, that's too hard. Look how realistic is this. What? This is ridiculous. This is like so realistic. That is crazy. Let's get in the car again. And oh my god. I forgot to, oh no, what did I do? Oh. I thought I broke the car for a second. Oh my gosh. I literally always press the wrong left and right because I'm good at left and right. Oh my god. I think it's gonna be too late to explore the entire game. I heard it might take forever. Oh my gosh. I keep hitting objects. Please. I don't want to hit anything. Oh my god. I always drive the wrong way. Pretty much this is all the stores. I hope you enjoyed this Florida tour and see you next time.